Welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is Chris Honig, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This Montauk was completely redesigned from the keel up in 2018 for the 60th anniversary, and a lot of nice features on this boat that I'm going to show you real quick. We'll start out with the hull color of this boat. We have a nice light blue hull color with chrome graphics. As we come to the back of the boat and the transom, we have this powered with a 115 Mercury 4-stroke motor, and we have a teak swim platform as a nice accessory on the back. We also have two aft starboard and port bench seats in the back. Creates a lot nicer room for entertaining, as well as a reverse cockpit seat, forward and reverse, and a live well underneath. As we make our way to the front of the boat, you'll notice this boat has a nice black bim top, as well as two teak boarding steps on the boat. This boat's outfitted with a fishing package, which includes an integrated tackle box on the starboard side of the boat and rod holders as a backrest, as well as a cooler with a bench pad on top. In the bow, we have a anchor locker and a separated fish box drain as well. This boat is just a really nice, fun family boat to get out of Masonboro, and has a 14-inch draft, so very shallow and get you anywhere you want to go. So if you'd like to see this boat or any others, again, my name is Chris Honig, and you can reach me at 910-617-3646. Thanks and have a great day.